Hey, Ross here with TrueCut CNC, and in this video I'm going to cover in BobCAD how to reverse the cut direction and change the side of the line that the machine cuts on. So normally we have a circle here, an outside contour and an inside contour. So normally BobCAD's going to calculate an outside contour around here and an inside contour around here. But let's say we want an outside contour here and an outside here, or inside here and outside here. We can do that by just changing the direction. So let's go ahead and we'll put a toolpath on this, create a new job, nesting job, and hit the nesting wizard. We'll select our geometry. In this case, we're just going to nest one part. So we'll go to part parameters, we'll nest one. Sheet parameters is fine. Nesting parameters, we don't really need a bridge distance because we're only doing one. We'll choose our tool, go to the tool crib, and we'll choose something like that one right there. Hit OK and OK. So we have our tool. Now we do our leads. We'll do a blended lead of 0.1 and 0.1. And that should be all we need. Now if we hit compute, what we'll see is BobCAD's normal way of doing things, which is an outside contour here and an inside contour here. But let's say we want to change that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the machine setup over here and start expanding that. You can see we have an outer and an inner profile. So if we want to move this cut line to the outside of the line instead of the inside, we're going to expand the inner profile, expand the profile rough, and we're going to click on change start point and just say reverse direction. Reverse direction. And you see how the arrow changed. Now if we say nesting job, compute all toolpath, see now the cut line is on the outside of the line instead of the inside. Now if I wanted to do this one too and put this one on the inside, I can do the same thing by expanding this out and saying reverse on that one. And then nesting job, compute all. Okay, that one didn't take. So let's do that again. Reverse direction. There we go. Nesting job, compute all. And there we go. So normally, like I said, normally you'd want these opposite than this, but that's how you would change direction, which also changes the side that it cuts on.